Looking worried there, Tom. What's got you looking so troubled?
Hey, Ollie. Yeah, I'm in a bit of a pickle here. The access stair treads, landings, and handrails on our ship loaders need to be replaced. But even doing it all in stages will have us working below capacity for weeks. We can't afford a loss like that.
I have a solution for you. Treadwell FRP. Fiberglass reinforced plastic. It's lightweight and far quicker to install than heavy conventional materials. You don't need heavy lifting equipment either. Installation can be done without a crane, saving you from the related licensing and approvals needed. This also saves on related labor and transportation costs.
That's definitely a solution.
Yeah, give the team at Treadwell a call. They'll help you out from design to delivery.